Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you have already read in the title below, today's video is all about my personal top 5 favorite lipsticks when it comes to everyday use for all my office and college going girls out there. We don't prefer too much bright colors when it comes to everyday use. So yes, these lipsticks are perfect for all of those. Secondly, all of these lipsticks are super affordable, very easily available. They are super long lasting, and the most important thing, they suit Indian skin tones very beautifully. So yes, without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so the first lipstick is by Lakme. It's in the shade M427. I'm gonna first show you the shade. See that color? Now I'm gonna apply and show you. Second lipstick, it's from the brand called Oriflame and it's in the shade dark burgundy. So yes, I'm going to show you the swatch. Perfect brown shade. I hope you can see, this is the one. So yes, this is what the color looks like. It comes with a very little shine. My third lipstick, it's from the same range of Lakme, the first lipstick which I showed you, but this is in the shade M454 and this is what its color looks like. This one right here. This third one, this is the Lakme M454. So my fourth lipstick is from the brand called Color Bar. It's in the shade 102. This fourth one right here. You can see the range color difference between all four of them. They are almost somewhere near to each other, but none of them are exactly same. So this is the fourth one from Color Bar. See how beautiful this color looks. Coming to the last lipstick of my video today is from the brand called Miniso, which is available in most of the cities, I guess, in India now. So this lipstick is in the shade 01 Raspberry Wine, and I must say this shade is so beautiful and so perfect when it comes to everyday wear. This is a liquid lipstick, so this is what the applicator looks like. Okay, so the color is the one right at the top. The first one is this color from Miniso, 01 Raspberry Wine. I hope you can see the color. The first one, this one right here. It's more into the pinkish shade and it looks so beautiful. Okay, so this is what the color looks like, the first one, Miniso. This is the perfect pink, not too bright, just the perfect pink, and it just gets along with the color of your lips, I feel, and makes it look so natural and so beautiful. I absolutely love this one. This is my personal favorite. So yes, I think these were the top 5 my personal favorite lipsticks when it comes to everyday wear. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you know the drill. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also do not forget to hit that bell icon and follow me on my socials. I have linked all the details of my Instagram in the description box. So please check that out. And also leave a comment as to which one did you like the most. I would be glad to read all your comments. So yes, I'm gonna soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.